Hakabayday bat ka jingyo ya katulop Thymmai di Nonghikai. Ulang ba sedang bansiau ya kania katulop. Naduh kasih Tarik uyayong arajar apun riu. Menteri ulaai ya kakubor kabas ngutenat. Bak sorkar kalau ku jengmut ban sedang siu no ya kania karukom penbet Thymmai katulop naduh kasih Tarik uyayong. Kakam ban pensisya Nonghikai SSA bat Adhoc karang ya cekmat habar ko bigejela bat an pendap hapo artayo. Kasorkar kan penlut kumba arspa arpau hado arspa san folklor tam kuba penlong ya gajung penlut barok lang jaka praspa san folklor tengka. An penbet ya gajung siu kat kum gajing slam gajing syakri jo Nonghikai. Uba Lahkmen Rymbui ula kentu Nonghikai bakane senjam kan lo gajing ai mensiam yaki benang trish tom syok na kebentak kebahakamiat jong ki kena.
The step for verification of the individual teachers is going on all over the state of Meghalaya. So this is the first step. The government is committed that from the 1st of April we will implement the new pay structure, and to make the matter easier even for those where is the last 2-3 weeks there is some sort of law and order that is there. The district administration of West Karo Hills have tried to establish a center so that this verification will go on. As of now, I don't have the data with me that how many teachers they have been verified. So, but this is an ongoing process, and we hope by in this 1-2 weeks that it will be completed. But having said that, the government is committed that the new pay framework structure will be implemented from the 1st of April 2026.
What do you say? Because every year it's a committed expenditure.
See, when we try to solve the problem and when we try to streamline the issues and when we try to give the best to the student, we have to pay some price. The price is that it is not the price, we have to invest. So we don't take it as the increase in the salary, we take as an investment for the better quality education in the state of Meghalaya. But as of now, it's ranging between 220 to 250 crore additional. That means about 850 crore plus minus. As I said, that it depends upon after the verification only, because different slabs is there. It is very easy for me if you ask me when we implemented in 2022 that revised fixed salary. It is very easy for me to get the figure. This much teachers multiplied by this increase, I will get this figure. But now, since it is a different slab of those, as I said before, those 0 to 5 years, 6 years to 10 years, and so on and so forth. So since there is different categories, it is not I cannot reply the exact figure, but it ranges from 220 crore plus or minus extra expenditure will be invested by the state to get the quality education all over the state. I don't doubt the integrity and the hard working of all the stakeholders. But having said that, I fully requested and I fully hope that with this intervention of the government, that the teachers also will be faithful to their profession. When I talk about faithful to the profession, is that they will try to inculcate the student the best education they will get. So that is the only hope is there. And more importantly, the problem is that the school's managing committee also they have to be very proactive. That to see that the teachers, if there is any problem, they should also intervene and seek the intervention of the government if there is any delegation of duty by the teachers. But having said that, I'm a firm believer that the teachers, when they get less salary, they work hard, and now when we try to do this, they will do more. So this is the only thing which I would say.